Welcome back. So now we're going to solve a problem. It's a very one of the famous and most asked problem. So we have to find out two elements which sum is equal to a given target. Okay. So suppose we are having one sorted array. Four, 5, 6, and one target is given. Target is equal to 6, suppose. So you have to find out two numbers such that a plus b equal to target. Okay, so we need to find a pair whose sum equal to the target. So this is one of the very fundamental problems, building blocks of the some fundamental problems, where once you solve this, after that there are multiple variations of this problem. So we will do that. And this is one of the very famous this is one of the very key problem which work on the opposite directions pointer. So like we solve one problem, opposite direction problem, right? Okay, so what let's talk about like how we can proceed with this problem to find out those particular pairs. So what do you do? So the brute force technique, if I talk about, so in brute force, of given this number, I can find all pairs. All right, so all pair means we find a 1, 2, right? Then 1, 3, then 1, 4, all, right? And since for each element you have to traverse rest of the element, for each element you have to rest of the array. So this is going to take order of n square. It's a very inefficient approach. Okay, so one of the key observations here is that the array is sorted, right? So based on this given input, we can make several smart decisions. So we'll see like when we are going to solve this. So we'll see this. Okay, so one thing is clear. Some array will be given, and one start pointer will be there, one end pointer will be there. We have to, in one loop, we are going to solve this. If the sum is equal to 6, then we are going that will be our answer. There may be a multiple pairs, like that, which whose sum is around 6. So let's see. If I take one example, so let me take one example actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and sum I am looking for 6, correct? This is the left pointer, this is the right pointer. So left pointer starts as beginning and the right pointer starts at end, right? So what will the step 1 now? So step 1, L equal to a 0 index, which is nothing but 1, which value is equal to 1, and R is at the 4th. Let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So let me, R is at 5, right? So remove this now. So R is at 5, which is nothing but 6, correct? So what will happen now? Sum equal to 1 plus 6, that's equal to 7, which is greater than 6, right? So sum is greater than the target, is our target value, right? So we need a smaller sum. So here we are going to use the point that we are talking about, sorted array, right? So if sum is greater than the target, so we need a smaller sum. So to find out the smaller sum, I have to find out the smaller element. And smaller element in which direction? It is in the opposite direction, means if we move from this direction to this direction, then we are going to found the smaller numbers. So if sum is greater than, you need a smaller, then you move the right pointer. If sum is less than the target, then you need a bigger number, then we are going to move the left pointer. Remember that. Okay, so for now I'll simply move this pointer to this pointer. Okay, so let me write here. So right pointer is here now, left pointer is still there, correct? Step 2, L is still at 0, so its value equal to 1, but right is at now 4th position and its value is 5. So sum equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6, right? So in this case 6 equal to the target. So we find our, okay, sum is equal to target, so we find our pair. So what will the pair? L comma R. So 1 comma 4. Okay, so this is the one pair which is having the value equal to 6. Sum of those value equal to 6. So let me write here this and this. Okay, fine. So if suppose you are, there are two variations in this problem. Maybe someone asks, okay, let's find the first pair. Whenever you're finding the pair, stop that. This is your answer. But some interviewer may ask you, give me the list of those pairs. So just create one array and just keep this adding. Okay, so let me find out the array. So step 3, again I'm going to move. So what I'm going to do, if sum is equal, means fine, you are going to find out one more array, so let's move the right. Alright, so again the problem 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now right is here, L is still there, so L equal to 0, it is having 1, right equal to 3, which is having 4. So sum equal to 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5, which is less than the target, correct? So it's less than target, then we have bigger number. Bigger number is where, when we move left plus plus. So in this case now we are going to increment the left pointer, 4 5 6, L will be here and R will be here only. Perfect. Let's find the step 4 now. Yes, step 4. So in step 4, left is at first index but value is 2, and right is at third index but value is equal to 4. Sum equal to 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6, and 6 is equal to 6. So you find out the target. So sum equal to target, then what does it mean? It means that we have found another pair which is L comma R, and that is 2 comma 4. And again I'll add this in the list. So in the list I am having two pairs right now. One is where is that? This one, 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 is the one answer and 2 comma 4 is the one answer, correct? This is our till now the answer list. Now coming to step 5. So our list is now become 3 4 5 6. Our left is at 3, okay, and right was at 4, right? So in this case now what will happen? Left equal to 2, which is having the value 3, and right at the index 3 value is having 4. Sum equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7, which is greater than 6. But now if you're going to move, I need a smaller number, so I have to move the right here now. So again So our condition will break. Left is less than the right now, so we are not going to do anything. We are going to break the loop now. So our answer will be this one. Correct? So this is one a classical two sum problem. So remember this pattern. If sum is too big, move right. If sum is too small, then move left. Okay, so pattern is that sum is too big, move right. If sum is too small, move left. Okay, so here we are eliminating unnecessary combination of intelligently based on this sorting pattern. Okay, so let's talk about pseudocode. Pseudocode is very easy one. So again, I'm having the left equal to 0 and right pointer as n-1, and while left is less than right, I'm going to calculate sum equal to num left plus nums right. Correct? And if sum equal to target, because again I have to check this whether I found out my target number or not, then return pair. Or if you want multiple points, then you can create one list here, list of pair, and simply add this answer equal to this, then keep adding answer dot add this pair. I'll show this. Okay, else if your sum is less than the target, means you need a bigger number to be added, then left plus plus, bigger number when you increase the left. When you move the left pointer, then you get the bigger number. Else simply write minus minus. Okay, so this is the pseudocode. So hope we are on the same page and you understand this, like how this problem is coming up. So let's see you in the next one with the code part. Okay, let's see you in the next one.